Hello, thanks for clicking on my video. Welcome to my channel, Lovely Moments Creating. If you are new here, consider joining the family by hitting that subscribe button. And remember the notification bell so you can be reminded when I upload a video. My name is Jenny, and on this channel, I create budget-friendly DIYs that's very easy to do. If you want to see some of my creations, keep watching. I am so excited to be collaborating with the Crafty Quinn. She is so talented. You have to see some of her amazing creations. Today we are teaming up to create some functional DIYs. I will have her channel in the description box below so that after you finish watching this video, you can head over and see what she came up with. And while visiting her, please let her know that I said hello. So for this first DIY, what I'll be using is some of these stickers here from the Dollar Tree. And I may switch these out for my rub-on transfers. Not sure yet. I have 3 of these round wood pieces from the Dollar Tree. I also have some of these white hooks, and I do get these from Walmart for like $1.19, and I'll be using some white chalk paint. The first thing I'm doing is just removing the strings from my wood pieces because I'm going to paint all 3 of these using that white chalk paint. These are going to be very simple, but I absolutely love these. Now I am going to go ahead and use the rub-on transfers instead of those stickers. And right now I'm just sanding the edges of these to give it a little distress around the edges. And then after I get that complete, I'm just going to add my transfers to these little wood pieces. And I am going to use 2 of the wreaths because eventually I will be giving one of these little hooks to my niece. These are so cute, and these are like little personal hooks that you can hang anywhere in your home, in your office. And I'm going to hang mine in my office to hang like my keys and my mask on. And that's why I did 2 wreaths, because I wanted my niece to have one with the wreaths on them. So after I remove the paper from the transfer, I am going to take those hooks, the little white hooks, and all you have to do is just push them down and twist them until they come to a stop. And I am going to do this to all 3 of these little round pieces. And I really think these are so cute. These could be given away as a gift as well. And after I add the jute cord back to them, these are complete and they can hang anywhere. I absolutely love these. And I am actually excited to hang these in my office for my keys and my mask. You can hang anything on these. You can hang these in a bathroom. You can put your necklaces on those. These are so adorable, and I really just like them, and I think my niece is going to like it as well. And so now I'm going to get started on the second DIY for today. And for that DIY, I have some of these little pieces out of the brain teaser from the Dollar Tree. I have 2 bunches of these florals from the Dollar Tree. I think these are so pretty. I also will be using some of this little leftover moss that I have, one of the little round foam balls from the Dollar Tree, and I have 3 of the little wooden boxes that has the little smaller boxes in the inside. I also will be using some of my white chalk paint. I removed the inner boxes so that I can glue these 3 pieces together how I want them. So I'm just going to glue one on top of the other with the opening facing in front, and then the third piece I'm going to glue on top with the opening facing up, and this is how it will look. Now for these 2, I flipped them over so that the holes can be on the other side, and I'm just going to add those little brain teasers in the middle, and these are going to be the handles for my little drawers. And I'm going to paint everything using that Waverly white chalk paint. And after I get everything painted, I'm just taking my Dollar Tree sanding block to sand around everything, giving it just a really light distress look. And this is another DIY that I really like. This is so functional. It actually has a high-end look to it. What I'm doing now is just clipping all of my pieces off of the bunches because I do want to add them into the foam ball separately. So after I get everything clipped off, what I'm going to do is take that round foam ball and I'm just going to push that right in the top. I'm just going to push it in forcefully and it fits snug. Now what I'm going to do is just start adding in my greenery floral pieces one at a time. And after I get all of my pieces in there, I'm going to add my draws to this, and then I'm going to take that moss to cover up any of the white foam that may be showing. And I absolutely love this. I think this is so adorable. I think I may style this on my nightstand. I absolutely think this is so cute. And this is one of those DIYs that I may end up just recreating to have a pair. I think this is so cute. And so now I'm going to get started on the next DIY for today. And for that DIY, I'll be using one of these bowls and these serving platters out of the kitchen section of the Dollar Tree. And I'll be using some of my flat white spray paint. I'm just going to add some glue to the bottom of this bowl, and I'm going to glue it to the back of that serving platter. This is going to be really simple. I'm going to give this one coat of that spray paint because I want some of that natural color to peek through. And so I am distressing around after I got it painted just so I can see more of that color. And this is it for this DIY. Now this next DIY that I am going to create, this is going to be simple as well. So I have this saying here, wash your hands and say your prayer because Jesus and germs are everywhere. And I have one of these cups from the Dollar Tree. Now I'm just going to cut this out because I'm only going to use say your prayers. And so I'll use those other pieces for a different DIY. So what I'm going to do is just pull off the wordings and add them to the cup. And after I get my wordings on my cup, I do go in heavily with some Mod Podge to make sure that I can cover these stickers up. And so after I got that done, I did just style this using some of the Dollar Tree greenery that I had, and I think this was cute, and I like how everything turned out today. And here is a second look of all of the DIYs that I created today. I think they all came out so cute. I love that they are functional because I love creating things that I can actually use. Thank you all so much for watching another one of my videos. If you like this video, please remember to give it thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you here. As always, in the comment box below, let me know which one of these DIYs were your favorite. And remember, this video is in collaboration with the Crafting Quinn. Her video will be linked in the description box below. So go and check out her video after you finish watching mine. And remember to tell her that Jenny said hello. Until next time, my friends, stay safe and I will see you in the next video.